Previously, the administration has said that vaccines and other biosimilars, there's not enough evidence for them to be on the market in the first place. You suggest that you need more evidence. Can you help explain the differential there?
Well, with the long chain molecules like biosimilars, the brand drug has been thoroughly tested. It's been safety tested, it's been efficacy tested, it's been proven. What we're saying now, and we're going to implement the same procedure that is used for small molecule drugs, which is if the active ingredient works, if it's been proven safe, if it's been proven efficacious, then you ought to be able to get on the market right away, the same as small molecule. With vaccines, the issue is very different because none of the vaccines currently recommended for children, with one exception, the COVID vaccine, has ever been tested in pre-licensing trials for safety in a randomized placebo-controlled trial.
Hi, my name is Dr. Rubin, and I really appreciate that reporter for calling out the inconsistent logic that RFK Jr. has when it comes to vaccines. And to give you a little bit of context, that press conference was about the administration trying to streamline the approval process for biosimilars. It's essentially like generics, but for a type of medication called biologics. These are medications grown in the lab that are able to help modulate the immune response, as an example, for conditions like cancer, autoimmune diseases, and allergic diseases as well, and they're very expensive. So any effort to try to streamline that process and decrease costs are needed to help lower healthcare costs. But when that reporter asks, how is that any different compared to the type of safety that you're looking into for vaccines? All RFK Jr. could do was lie and say that, well, outside of the COVID vaccine, the vaccines are not properly safety tested. And that's not true at all. We've had several randomized controlled trials when vaccines were coming out. It's just the newer versions of the vaccine, you can't do a placebo-controlled trial because that would be unethical. You have vaccines that are known to be safe and effective and still have post-marketing surveillance happening all the time. Therefore, you do active comparators if you're going to get a newer version of a vaccine where you're comparing it to a previous version or doing some type of immunogenicity study to look into the effectiveness of it. But that is really the seminal issue here, that RFK Jr. continually lies in order to fit a particular narrative to make it seem like vaccines are not properly safety tested. So don't be fooled by what he is saying.